Bienvenidos y bienvenidas a la Zumpuliche Interview con Jhon Jatenjor. Una de las interpretaciones ahí es como sin crédito, pero me gustaría saber cómo fue el proceso del tema que tú interpretaste, la periodista en Charlie y la fábrica de chocolates. Recordamos esa película y pues quería que nos contara su experiencia.
Okay, Brigitte, we're going to start talking about the uncredited role and your appearance in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. As a reporter. Tell us about this very early role in a very loved movie.
It was actually many years ago, before I became an actress. And I just wanted to see what it's like to be on set. So I joined this agency, this casting agency. They were casting extras and background artists. And I got this little role in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And I was so enchanted by this little butcher shop and, you know, all the acting and everything that I thought this is what I really want to do. And that's how it all started, I think.
Oh, that's a great way to start. I will translate. Vaya, John, es increíble porque esto fue mucho antes de que ella incluso haya decidido entrar de lleno a la industria de la actuación. Ella, digamos, como que se metió a una agencia y en esa agencia estaban buscando muchas personas que estuvieran interesadas en hacer parte de este proyecto, pero que fue nada más ver pues todo el decorado pues, que dejó Tim Burton acá de la fábrica y todo, que la hizo tomar la decisión de esto es lo que quiero hacer.
Wow, es una gran respuesta. De hecho, vamos a continuar preguntándole sobre, ya es como un debut, un peldaño más en tu carrera que fue Harry Potter y la Orden del Fénix. Ahí hiciste el papel de Emily Vance. Me gustaría saber, no solo en tu personaje, sino cuál es la trascendencia que usted ha notado, pros y contras, de toda la saga de Harry Potter.
Okay, and moving on with another great movie, and of course a bigger role. Tell us about your work as Emily in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, but also what do you feel that is the transcendence of this saga? I don't know, in good and even in bad turns. I don't know. We really want to know about this answer.
Yes, that was my first role after I'd finished drama college, and I had my first agent, and they got me this little role in Harry Potter as Emmeline Vance. And that was really lovely because we were all like a family. Everybody was talking to everybody. All the big stars were talking even to the small actors. So it was a really nice atmosphere on set, and I really enjoyed it. It was a lovely time. I had a lovely time there.
No, and that's an interesting answer. Thank you. I will translate. John dice que fue su primer rol justo después de que ella haya terminado la escuela de drama. Y sobre la pregunta, ella lo asume más desde lo que podría ser, la ambigüedad de lo que podría ser considerado bueno o malo o bien y mal, entendiendo a personajes como pues Severus Snape, ¿no? Severus Snape podría ser considerado para unos como un villano y para otros como, digamos, un personaje bueno. Entonces, este desarrollo de personajes, entendiendo también que ella vio su participación en esta película como una gran familia, que todos en el set se trataban como una gran familia, ella siente que este desarrollo de personajes y estas ambigüedades son los que generan la trascendencia de la saga. Y pues es un orgullo que ella haga parte de ella, ¿cierto?
Interesante aporte. O sea, es bastante curioso para los amantes de la saga. Ya saben la respuesta de Brigitte y es increíble. Vamos a hablar sobre la señora Tozer. La señora Tozer tuvo un rol bastante peculiar en lo que es Desesperados Románticos, porque habla sobre la hermandad de los pre-Rafaelita, si no estoy mal, que son como la asociación de club y escritores. En sí, ¿cuál es como esa característica que pudo mantener como la esencia, la química, para que fuese tan realista en toda la ambientación, sobre todo hecho en Londres?
Brigitte, tell us about your role in Desperate Romantics, knowing that this role has something to do with the literature and you have to correct me if I'm wrong. The pre-Raphaelist epoch, and also tell us about your role as Mrs. Tozer in this particular project.
That was a very small role as the hat shop owner, Mrs. Tozer. Yeah, she was obviously the hat shop owner, and this young girl was working in her hat shop, and she caught the attention of this famous painter who was obviously interested in painting her. So that was a very, very small. It was for the BBC, I think, a very small role. Yeah, but very enjoyable. I mean, wearing costumes is always very exciting. And the only thing that I seem to remember about that was that my corset was very tight, and it was so tight. I think I passed out twice. In that costume. So that's the main part I remember about that role.
Oh my God. In fact, I will translate, but I imagine in the paint, but it worked out, no? You worked it out, and it paints with a good role, a small but a good role, yeah?
It was very enjoyable, yeah, definitely. I like period drama. I very much like period drama.
Yes, and England is like a role model for period dramas.
I think England is the country that actually sets the standard for period drama, I would imagine. Yeah, the British do that very, very well. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. Vaya, Jhon, una anécdota muy dolorosa, de hecho. No por el hecho de que haya sido un rol muy corto, porque de hecho ella es la dueña de la tienda donde va, pues digamos, este pintor, y sí, trata sobre el prerrafaelismo, claro que sí, sino que al ser un drama de época, un period drama, y tú sabes muy bien que Inglaterra es la meca de los dramas de época, tú lo sabes muy bien, es pues las películas de David Lean y James Ivory y todo eso. Resulta que ella tuvo que usar un corsé tan apretado que se desmayó 2 veces.
No.
Exactamente. Pero que pues yo le dije que todo, I'm telling about your fainting, but I'm telling that everything works out at the end. Le dije que le estaba diciendo que sí, lo del desmayo, pero que al final todo salió súper en una película muy, muy bella. Un pequeño papel, pero como siempre, ella hace parte de engranajes de películas muy, muy grandes y muy bellas. Eso.
O sea, todas las participaciones que hacen son muy bellas.
Yes. We are telling that every participation that you make in every one of the projects is very beautiful. And it's like a piece. No, yes. We are really glad to have you, but we will continue. Okay. So, but Jhon and I, we had to tell it. So, let's do it.
Ok, vamos a preguntarle, esta vez será más dinámico, sobre cómo defines ella en una palabra, si es posible, estos proyectos.
Okay.
Son cortos.
Okay, let's do a little game from that we always make in this channel. I will name these projects, and you can, if you can define it in one word, go ahead. Okay, they are Finding Soul, Cupidity, Bury Me, White, Side the Prologue, and Nuts.
They're all short films, I would say.
Yes, they are short. Can you define it in one word? I don't know, each of one or all in just one word? Or you can tell us some anecdote or history between one of these projects?
Yeah, I did a few short films because I think for an actor, it's a good way to learn your craft. and to learn the acting in a short film. It's a good métier to learn, or about acting and what to do on set and what not to do. Because when later, when you get bigger roles, then you already have experience, which helps a lot.
So we can define it, everyone, in the word learning or experience.
I would imagine so. Yeah, definitely learning the craft for sure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bueno, John, dice que lo definirían en la palabra aprendizaje, porque todos estos proyectos son cortometrajes, pero cada uno de estos proyectos le permitió a Brigitte entender su rol como actriz y también qué hacer y qué no hacer para ya proyectos mucho más grandes, que yo creo que se vienen ahorita unas preguntas esperadísimas por las personas del canal. Entonces, ella definiría esto como aprendizaje. Toda esa palabra la define a todos.
Wow. Antes de hacerle la pregunta más importante, me gustaría saber, en la vida real, la psicología de la gente de Parker, ¿en qué puede beneficiar no solo en la sociedad? Hablo del filme Metamorphosis A.D.
Okay. If we mention the psychology from your role in Metamorphosis A.D., what aspects of this character can really help us in real life?
I think Agent Parker she's one of the powerful secret agents who are obviously fighting the alien invasion that nobody knows about. And so I think she's a really, like, for example, like in the KGB or in the CIA, like she's an agent like that to obviously fight the aliens that have invaded Earth. And I like the powerful role. I like to play a powerful woman in this film. It was very enjoyable.
Yes, and I think we can say that this is kind of like a sci-fi, but
it's a sci-fi, yeah.
Yes, but now we are talking, every news that it may be possible, like some kind of alien invasion or the appearance from aliens. So I think this role is merged with the society from that we live now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, very true. I agree.
Wow. John will love this answer. I will translate. Vaya, John. Es genial porque la agente Parker en este proyecto es una persona que podría estar incluso en una agencia como la KGB, porque está investigando sobre una posible invasión alienígena. Wow. Una posible invasión. Y es un personaje muy, muy fuerte. Yo le dije que incluso se podría, a pesar de ser un proyecto de ciencia ficción, es un personaje que está muy mezclado con lo que está sucediendo en la sociedad. Sabes muy bien que pues, se habla de rumores de una posible invasión alienígena. Ella dice que para ella fue un placer interpretar un rol tan fuerte como el de ella.
Exacto. Solo hay que felicitarlo por eso y es bellísimo.
Okay, John says that he has watched that film and he really congratulates you because it's a very, very beautiful and strong role.
Which film are you talking about? Sorry, which film are you?
No, yes, we are talking again about Metamorphosis A.D.
You have watched it? Oh my goodness!
John, yes, John
really?
is a very.
Where did you see it?
Okay, I will ask him. John, ¿dónde lo viste? ¿Cómo supiste de ese proyecto? Cuéntanos tu magia.
Mi experiencia fue que como yo soy como podría decir, muy hábil para buscar en páginas desconocidas, páginas de otros países, busqué Metamorphosis A.D. y me recordó porque vi los créditos y vi, ese es Brigitte está allí. Eso lo vi en una página rusa que se llama Okelrayu, pero no sé si todavía sigue vigente porque la vi más de 2 meses.
Okay, the anecdote is that John, he was watching, here there is a page that is called Okelrayu. It's a Russian page that upload movies, and he was watching that movie 2 months ago, and he even had to stop it because he said, "Oh my God, that's Brigitte."
Oh my God.
So,
I haven't seen it myself. I've never seen it.
oh, I will tell John that, share the link. John, pásale el link, porque ella no la ha
Lo,
visto.
no,
Concédele
oh
ese
my
honor.
God.
Cuando
Oh,
le pasen ya sabes, mi corto y eso, pásale eso. John,
claro,
¿quieres decirle algo? No sé, dile, porque esto es increíble y
yo
surreal.
voy a intentar hacer lo posible para buscarlo porque como eso lo vi hace 2 meses, voy a hacer lo posible para encontrarlo.
John will search again that movie because it was 2 months ago, and sometimes those movies got erased. But
Ah,
if he finds it, he will share that link and links from the short films that we made. But
oh,
it will be
fantastic.
an honor. It will be an honor. Wow,
Oh,
wow, John. Bueno,
if it still exists, the link still works, that would be great. I would love to see it. I have not seen it.
wow. I hope the link. I know that John will find it. John, tienes que salvar la tierra, es tu misión como agente. Buscarlo porque para
Voy
Brigitte
a...
sería magnífico. Yo sé, tienes que recuperarte, ¿no? Wow,
Sí.
esto fue inesperado e increíble.
Vamos a poder continuar, pero esa es una meta importante. Vamos a hablar esta vez sobre uno de las películas de la saga más importante del mundo de los espías. Como has estado en la saga de James Bond, ¿cuáles son las diferencias o virtudes que la saga ha podido trascender y evolucionar de una manera sabia, podría decirse, y defina desde tu perspectiva la característica de Vogel?
Okay, Brigitte, you know that this answer will appear. Of course, we are going to talk about the most expected movie this year. I think that is no time to die, but also we are going to talk about your appearance in Spectre, and we want to know two things. One, the same question with the Harry Potter one. What do you think that are the characteristics that made the saga franchise transcend? And of course, tell us the characteristics that Vogel got. And I know there is so much secrecy about the new movie, but if you can tell us something, I don't know, about the premiere or about what we can expect, we will appreciate it.
So, Spectre, I think Dr. Vogel, she is a scientist, and obviously we know that Spectre is a very male-dominated organization. So she had to be a very powerful woman to hold the attention of everybody in the boardroom scene, and to obviously show Oberhauser that she's a very competent woman, because she wants to get ahead within the organization, which she can only do if she can demonstrate how competent she is and how well she knows her stuff. So I think that was a really good opportunity to play someone who is powerful and highly intelligent and educated, but at the same time also evil and possibly maybe a little bit afraid of Oberhauser at the same time.
Okay, no, and in fact, it's like a bit major change from the saga, because people think used to say that, oh, James Bond doesn't give very important roles to women, but now you show us that a woman can be evil, can be fierce, can be intelligent. Oh, we spent many things from No Time to Die and your character. I know you can say anything that we are going to spend. Not a spoiler, but something to the fans. I got a friend that is a really big fan. He's not logged now because he's traveling. But what can you say? Tell us about No Time to Die. What we can expect from No Time to Die? At least in your character or something, or it's secret, or it's a secret.
I can't say anything about No Time to Die. I can't say anything about it. I'm afraid. No.
Okay, we understand. Not even the premiere.
I don't know when the premiere is. There's nothing has been, as far as I'm aware, nothing's been confirmed officially. That's all I know.
Wow. No, don't worry. Thank you. And we are really happy that Vogel appears again. Wow, I will translate. Vaya, John, aunque bueno, como te diste cuenta, no se puede revelar nada sobre No Time to Die. De hecho, sigue siendo un secreto que sí ya está oficialmente terminada y eso. Lo interesante de Vogel es que nos demuestra que no solo la inteligencia de ella, siendo una científica, sino su coraje, porque es una mujer malvada que en esta organización, tú recuerdas bien esa magnífica escena, ella incluso logró ser notada por Obenhauser, por este gran villano, y lo que demuestra un cambio exponencial frente a lo que venía siendo la saga. Generalmente, pues la saga era criticada por los roles femeninos, por cómo eran mostrados, y acá nos demuestra que pues no, en realidad se puede tener a una gran Psyche, a una gran villana. No puede revelar mucho, pero yo creo que con decirnos esto nos reveló lo que se viene, porque si vuelve Vogel, pues ¿quién podría estar volviendo, no? No sé,
claro,
wow.
Eso es algo súper bueno y primicia para el canal. Vamos a poder darle la mejor importancia a Brigitte y es que se viene en la anunciación de este proyecto. Es un poquito largo el título, pero ya se lo envié a usted y a ella.
Okay, Brigitte, what we can expect from this project, that this very long title, never can say goodbye when love and hate survive death. What we can expect from this?
Again, I've read the script and I love the role. It's about reincarnation. That's all I can say at the moment. People dying and coming back and resolving old karmic debts. And that's at the moment. That's all I can say, because obviously it's not been made, and I'm not sure when they'll be filming. I hope very, very soon, but we shall have to wait and see.
No, we hope that it's very soon also. John, dice que no puede decir mucho, que está esperando que se filme, pero que ya leyó el guión y es un proyecto muy bello que trata sobre la reencarnación. Incluso es con un toque cómico, se podría decir, pero que es un proyecto que, digamos, pues no solo ella, todos esperamos. Pues crucemos los dedos.
Crucemos los dedos. Vamos con la última pregunta, más importante. De sus actuaciones en cortos, filmes, desde el 2005 que tomaste más, empezaste de lleno hasta la actualidad, ¿cuál cree usted que son los cambios que has podido ver como actriz y tanto como en lo personal, día a día?
Yes. What are the things that you learn as an actress and as a person from your whole career back in the 2000s, in the 2005, and the roles that you are making now?
So the first thing I would like to say to that is, because I came to acting really late, I'm not like one of those people that finish school and then they go to drama college and then they start acting like when they're like maybe 21 or 22 or very young. So because I came to acting really late, I'd already had other professions that I'd done. And so I think that taught me a lot. It gave me a lot of material that I could apply as an actress in the roles that I was playing in the project, and that I could bring to the character, which I think was a huge plus. It's a huge plus for an actor to have experience of life, I think. And the way I see my career, I think I normally cast to play very powerful women that also have a vulnerable side to them, maybe because they feel scared, or maybe they are unsure, or they don't know how to tell the difference between good and evil. So I'm hoping that I can build on that, but I would also love to branch out into comedy and do more comedic roles as well, not just dramatic, but also comedic, and have a balance between the two.
I hope that this new project can bring you a space from comedy, so you can visit that other spectre from your career. I will translate, but wow, thank you. Esto, John, lo increíble acá es que Brigitte, ella no llegó ella lo dice, llegó, digamos, tarde de cierta manera al mundo de la actuación.
Nunca es tarde.
Al haber, al haber tenido varias profesiones antes, eso le brindó un plus, por así decirlo, que ninguna persona tiene en una escuela de actuación, porque eso le brindó conocimientos y fortalezas para afrontar otros roles, porque ya no, ella no tuvo ya que estudiar cómo era, digamos, ejercer esas profesiones, no, ya las ejerció. Dice que el siguiente paso que quiere dar y que le dije que esperemos lo logre con este nuevo proyecto es que ella quiere mostrar su lado cómico, porque afortunadamente ya lo dice, sus roles han sido mujeres fuertes, de mujeres que han logrado sobrepasar los miedos o de mujeres muy inteligentes, y a ella le pareció increíble ejercer esto, pero ella ya quiere mostrar, digamos, ese otro lado de su carrera, pues es fantástico bajo, o sea, lo digo acá a título personal y creo que le dirá lo mismo, lo que ella ha logrado de una manera tan inesperada y tan increíble, o sea, wow, o sea, no, me quedé sin palabras.
Vamos a brindarle un fuerte aplauso a Brigitte. Es para nosotros es un honor y no sé si Andrés tenga alguna palabra, pero bueno, de mi parte, un saludo para el canal, para Colombia y bueno, expectativas para No Time to Die.
I got that.
Give us, if you want it, we gave you now the camera. Give you, if you want to share your social media, do it. And I don't know, the camera is yours.
What you get the social media or? Sorry.
If you want to share, I don't know, the links to the people can follow your career.
You can visit my website www.brigittemillar.com. That would be great. Yeah. You can find all everything on my website.
To the people from Colombia, to the channel. Okay. And you want to say a big hi or hello to the people from
so all the Bond fans, the Bond fans, I hope that they will enjoy No Time to Die as much as they enjoyed Spectre. I hope that they will enjoy it as much as, you know, they did.
Wow. Wow, that's the best. That's the best way to end this. Okay. No, Brigitte, thank you. It's really an honor for us.
Oh, no.
It was a pleasure. Pleasure meeting you guys.
And Jhon will share, I hope he find that movie, Metamorphosis.
So do I, yeah. Yes. I mean, you know more than I do. You guys, you have seen it. I haven't seen it. You know lots more than I do. So I'm really curious.
Yes, voy a encontrarla. Me dedico a eso. Apenas lo haga.
He said that when he finds it, he will share it immediately. That link, and of course, he will share a short film from himself, from myself. And no, really, thank you, really.
Thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure to meet you. It really was. Say hello to all the fans, and I'm absolutely delighted to actually be transmitting to your country and hopefully meet all your fans. That would be really great. I would really like that.
The pleasure is.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Ya saben, en la Unpublished Interview con Jhon Jatenjor los invita a suscribirse, darle me gusta, compartir y disfruten de estas grandes entrevistas inéditas a las grandes celebridades del séptimo arte a través de las traducciones simultáneas del inglés al español y del español al inglés y muchas curiosidades más.